think that this moonwalk is going to be very helpful when you're trying to get away from the alligators. All right, let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, let's roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Let's roll.
Yeah! Woohoo! Yippee! What's up, Planet Roller Skaters? I'm Sojourn, Planet Roller Skate correspondent, as well as the author of the new book, Indy and the Adventure to Planet Roller Skate. A couple of years ago, Indy actually asked me to film a video on moonwalks, but the truth is, my moonwalk isn't all that great. So I've enlisted the help of my friend Tinuke, who's an amazing showgirl, dancer, and acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to moonwalk, follow me. Hey girl. Hey Tinuke. How you doing?
Yeah, good.
Are you ready to teach me how to moonwalk?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
I'm ready.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my left toe stop down in the ground to stabilize myself. I'm going to pull my left foot all the way to the back, and simultaneously I'm going to switch my toe stop and my flat foot. Then I'm going to pull my right foot back, all the way back, exactly the same time, switch again. Same thing, switch. Same thing, switch. Same thing, switch. Switch. I'm going to make sure that I switch when I'm at the furthest point. So I'm at my deepest lunge, then I switch. I'm at my deepest lunge, then I switch. Pull it back, switch. Pull it back, switch. If you don't do that, you're going to end up switching really close here like this, and it's going to be super, super, super wobbly. Stabilize myself, and walk. Yeah? Nice and smooth. Nice deep lunge. Another top tip is the leg that you're pulling backwards, you're dragging back, you want to make sure that it's straight, because nice and straight leg, switch. Nice and straight leg, switch. Nice straight leg, switch. Because if you don't have straight legs, you end up looking kind of like this. Yeah? So if you straighten that leg, it just adds a bit of finesse, makes it look so much nicer, makes it look more like an illusion, yeah?
Alright, so I'm gonna try and be as fancy as Tinuke was, but I cannot promise anything. You guys ready? Alright. Okay, I'll try it again. I feel like I look like a baby giraffe on skates, so I need to pull it in a little bit. I've just been given a slap on the hand and told that I need to straighten my legs. So if you look at the last one and this one, you'll see the difference. And apparently, if I straighten out that leg, it looks more like an illusion. So let's see. Tinuke, that was so much fun.
Well done.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I feel like a superstar now that I can moonwalk.
She totally rocked it. Amazing.
Thank you. I'm super sweaty. If people want to find out more about you, where should they go?
So you can either catch me on Tinuke's Orbit on YouTube or on Instagram. It's Tinuke_orbit. And find me. Lots of love. Thank you for checking in.
All right, like they always say, later
Later,
skaters.
skaters.